Hey, what's going on YouTube? Just another quick video. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the new PlayStation 5. This PS5 was purchased at GameStop. GameStop has only been selling it in bundles. This bundle included a PS5 remote, 2 games, Demon's Souls and Spider-Man, a PS4 Razer headset, and they also threw in a 1-year PlayStation Plus subscription for the low price of $849.99 before taxes. Shipping took 3 days from Texas to California. If you do manage to purchase a PS5 at Best Buy or Walmart that is not in a bundle, you will be able to pick up a disc version for $500 and a digital version for $400. Way cheaper than GameStop. Alright, so let's unbox this PS5. Alright, so right on the top, we have the PS5 Quick Start Guide, a safety guide. Here we have the power adapter. PS5 remote. Very nice. And it looks like it's going to be a USB Type-C. Here we have the new base that is included with the PS5. We have the HDMI. And right under we have the PS5. Here we have the top of the console. The PS5 does have some good weight to it. And before we get in this video, this is a visual size comparison of the old PS4 and the new PS5. This is all I have for you guys today. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this GameStop bundle. Is the PS4 headset worth it? Before I end this video, I want to thank everyone who has liked and subscribed. Thank you for supporting this channel. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.